Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 19. So let's get started. So this is the glass dildo from Gildo number 19 itself. As you can see, it's a very elegant shaped dildo and very unique. This beaded dildo is an indispensable toy in every nightstand. The toy is completely made of glass and can be used on both sides, so it's suitable for both anal and vaginal use. The dildo feels smooth and firm and is easy to cool down or warm up by putting in water for a few minutes, so this means it is very suitable for temperature play. The dildo is suitable for use in combination with any type of lubricants, and it's very stimulating thanks to the beads just here, providing wonderful vaginal or prostate stimulation. Now, when using this dildo, as mentioned, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and for this we recommend to use either a toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your number 19 dildo in. This helps to keep it dust-free and discreet. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 19. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.